Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Programmer. In this video, I will share my Android project named Kidzin, which is an e-commerce application through which a user can buy online baby stuff without going to market. So, here is the simple UI. This is the first screen from where a user can sign in and sign up if he or she is new to app. Upon clicking this button, the user will navigate to registration page from where the user can register himself and be able to log in. Now, the next activity is login activity. First, we will talk about admin view and later we will talk about user view in it. The person who is admin has all your control. He can add his product, delete the product, change the price and description also. Now, the admin will enter his phone number and password and log in his account. After this, he or she will enter the new activity. It will have three things open. First, check new order button. Second, logout button. And third, maintain products button. Now, you will see many pictures in this activity. This is the category of entire product. Which product admin is added category wise. When the admin click on a particular category, the new activity will open in front of him, in which he can enter his price, product of the image and product of the description also. And when he clicks the button, his product will become stores. Upon clicking the check new order button, the admin can see all the information of the user, when he ordered the product and what date he ordered his product. Now, when the admin will click on the logout button, the account of the admin will be logged out and the admin will log in again. Now, the last category is maintain products. In this, the admin can delete the product, edit the product description and edit the price also. So this was admin work. Now we talk about the user view. In this, the user will enter his phone number and password and log in his account. After this, he or she will enter the new activity. Until the user logs in his account, he cannot go to next activity. So it is very important for the user to log in and go to the next activity. Now, in the same activity, there are two texts. First text is for remember me and second text is for forget password. If user clicks on remember me, then there is no need for the user to enter name and password next time. Their account will be automatically opened. And if user clicks on forget password, it will move to the next activity. In this, the user has to fill some information. The email and phone number he had registered will have to be filled. Otherwise, he will not know his password. So it's very important for the user to fill his all information. When the user logs into the account, the new activity will open. All the products added by the admin are visible to the user in this activity, and he can scroll down and see the varieties of the entire product. In this, the user can also click on a specific product. He can also increase and decrease the quantity of the product according to their need. After deciding the quantity of the product, the user will click on the Add to Cart button. After clicking the Add to Cart button, whatever he selected his product, all product will be stored in one place. User can also add any of their reviews related to the product. Upon clicking the Submit button, his review will be submitted. In the last, there is button named as See Reviews. Upon clicking this button, user can see the review of all the people and can also see their own review also. The user can only edit and remove their own review, not can edit and remove other people's review. Navigation drawable was also used in this activity. It used a lot of bars like setting bar, update bar, cart bar, search bar, etc. Now the first bar is cart bar. In this, the user can see all the products that were stored in the cart bar. Upon clicking on next button, the new activity will open in which they have to fill all information. There is no need to enter your address. When you directly click on detect location button, it will automatically find your location. And when you click on the confirm button, your order will be placed successfully. The second bar is search bar, in which user can search any product. The third bar is order history, in which user can see the entire history on which day and on which date he has shipped his order. The third bar is track current order. In this, user can see how long his order will reach and which day will arrive. He can track his order. The fifth bar is setting bar. In this, user can update all his information. In this, the user can also change his phone number and can also apply his image. In below, there are two buttons. First, change email address button and second, recover password button. Whenever user click on the change email address button, he can change his email and enter new email. When he click on the change button, his new email will be set. When the user click on the change password button, he can change his password in it. User will enter his new password and then confirm password and click on OK button. If user click on cancel button, he will automatically go to the previous screen. Now, the last bar is logout bar. If the user will click on the logout bar, then his account will be logged out and he will have to log in to re-enter the app. If you want a full tutorials on Android development in which we will also cover this project, kindly to let me know in comment section.